A lot of brands are prepping for summer with air conditioner launches from Haier and Panasonic, and Ikea deciding not to raise prices despite the import duty hike. A lot more news coming up in Home Talks episode 7. Hey guys, Nikhil here from Banao. Let's get into Home Talks episode 7. Ikea is concerned about the import duty hike which was recently proposed but has decided to hold prices. Now the Swedish furniture maker has basically said that India, despite the hike in the import duty on toys and furniture in the proposed budget, will not raise any of its prices. It is told that it is asking the government to reconsider the hike in import duty. Now the import duty on furniture was hiked to 25% from the current 20% and tripled on toys all the way up till 60%. Great to know that Ikea has decided not to increase its prices. Samsung has introduced completely new 8K Wi-Fi 6 TVs. Now what is this Wi-Fi 6? We do know they have 8K QLED TVs, but what is this Wi-Fi 6? So Wi-Fi 6 chipset is developed in collaboration with MediaTek. Now what this brings is 9.6 Gbps connectivity speed. So just to give you a perspective, 8K consumes a lot of data, and with Wi-Fi 6 they'll be able to provide a seamless entertainment experience with very smooth streaming and gaming. So Wi-Fi 6 is basically the latest wireless standard, and Samsung says that right now in the market that's the only TV which has Wi-Fi 6 and 8K streaming capabilities built in. I don't know if it really matters whether you take a 4K or 8K because the difference is so less, but great to know that they are constantly innovating. Haier has launched 83 new products. This is basically to spearhead the IoT era in the home appliance industry. Now, Haier has increased its product range, especially in refrigerators, air conditioners, washing machines, and LED TVs. What it has also done is launched 29 new air conditioners to cater to the diverse needs and requirements of its customers. They have launched this under different brands. One of it which they are focusing on is a Puri Cool, P-U-R-I Cool air conditioner brand. Now, the advantage with this is most of these are 5-star rated air conditioners and they are Wi-Fi enabled, which will integrate with voice assistance. Panasonic, not to be left behind, has launched a range of air conditioners. Now again, with the same sort of approach where it's all IoT connected, it's basically smart connected. Now the various ACs which they are launching, one of the things which will set them apart is the smart customization of sleep mode and the ability to set different temperatures just throughout the night. So depending on the external temperature, the temperature will automatically fluctuate. Now most of these Panasonic air conditioners are capable of detecting external weather conditions and change based on the user's patterns. Great to know that they are focusing on these air conditioners and on smart air conditioners specifically because it's a company which has been known for its reliability and ability to deliver great home appliances. So overall, if you see, right, two companies launching brand new air conditioners, especially focused on the smart features. This is a great trend if you think about it, because smartphone literacy has increased like crazy in India, and all of these home appliance companies are leveraging that, trying to sell you basically higher end air conditioners. So good to know about this. So that's all for Home Talks episode 7. Do leave a comment below on what you think about all these things, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.